How would you like to own a brand new townhome at a great value in the Lakota School District? Welcome to the Woods at Westchester, where low maintenance living meets everyday convenience. Hi, I'm Sam. Thanks for stopping by. Let me show you around. Inside, you'll find your kitchen wide open to your living space, so you'll never miss a conversation or a scene from your favorite show. Your luxury owner suite with bath is the perfect retreat at the end of the day. If you prefer your bedroom on the main level, we have that option too. And finally, there's enough space for bedrooms for all or an office for you. But the best part about living here? No more mowing the lawn or shoveling snow. With less maintenance, you'll have more time to enjoy the community amenities, like taking a dip in the community pool, catch up with neighbors in the clubhouse, or play a round of tennis. For even more outdoor activities, like kayaking and hiking, the Voice of America Metro Park is just a few miles away. You'll also love the convenience of nearby shopping and dining at your fingertips, including Liberty Center, the streets of Westchester, and Union Center. Finally, have peace of mind that your kids will be attending the top-rated Lakota schools. Woods at Westchester is situated near I-75, I-275, and State Route 129, making commuting a breeze. So what do you think? Are you ready to love where you live? Put our location in your phone, and I'll see you when you get here.